Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by gathering the exact materials: polymer clay or EVA foam, a thin armature wire, sandpaper, epoxy, and basic carving tools. You sketch the beak profile to scale and measure the width and length in centimeters so proportions match the penguin species. Once done, bend and fix the armature inside foam or clay to create a rigid core. This prevents sagging during shaping. Make sure to leave extra wire at the base for attachment to the head later. You now shape the beak's major planes, removing material slowly so you don't overcut. This maintains symmetry and the correct curvature. Use files and rasps for initial shaping, then switch to 200-400 grit sandpaper to smooth and refine edges. This step matters for paint adhesion. Once form is correct, add fine textures: feather lines, slight ridges, and nostril depressions using a needle tool or sculpting pick. This creates realistic light catch and shadow. Make sure to check. You finish by priming the surface and applying thin base coats of acrylic to build color gradually. This prevents pooling and streaks. Once color is correct, seal with a matte varnish to protect against handling and moisture. Attach the beak to the model head with epoxy or a small sew-in plate through the base wire, ensuring alignment. If you see cracking or separation, use a flexible filler, resculpt the texture lightly, then repaint. This restores adhesion and maintains the original.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.